Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to use the multi-to function. With the multi-to function, you can add pages, delete pages, as well as rotate pages. First and most important is to have all of the documents on Doxit, meaning the first document that we're going to work on, the one that we want to delete pages from. Our second document, which is the ID, this is the page that I want to add to the service of notice, as well as the copy of the affidavit. First, you have to select the page, the document that you want to delete pages from, add pages, or rotate pages. So I'm going to select the service of notice by clicking in this little white box, giving you a blue check mark indicating that you've selected it. Then I go to the multi-to function. On my right-hand side, the function loads the whole document for me. So it loads the whole service of notice document. The first thing that I want to do is maybe I want to delete a page. I want to delete page 2. Then you just click on the little dustbin, highlighting it. Meaning that if we click on generate document, it's going to remove page 2 for us. But in page 2's place, we want to add the ID. So I click on the little plus sign on page 1. So if you click on the plus sign, it adds that page afterwards. Meaning if you click on the plus sign on page 1, it will add the ID as page 2. So I click on the plus sign and I select the ID. Now my ID will be on page 2 and this page 3, will be deleted. If you want to rotate pages, you click on the arrow, just clicking on it and rotating the document in the specific ordering that you want it. Meaning if the document is upside down, you click on it and you rotate it in the way that you want to. When you're done adding pages, deleting pages, as well as rotate pages, you click on generate document. This will then delete page 2 that we wanted. It will add page, the ID, and it will then rotate that one specific document that we wanted to do. So page 1, we didn't touch it. Page 2 is the ID that we added. Page 3 is the one that we rotated. So with the multi-to function, you can rotate, add, and delete pages.